An infinite geometric series, first of all, the R has to be a bottom-heavy fraction. Bottom-heavy means that the fraction has to be a bigger number downstairs and upstairs, okay? So the first thing you're going to do on your worksheet is you're going to look for R. If R is top-heavy, or a whole number, which is a top-heavy fraction, because that would be like 7/1, it is not infinite. There is no sum. I mean, it is infinite. There is no sum. It goes on forever. If something's going to double forever, it's going to get bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger, so you can't find the sum. But when the R is a bottom-heavy fraction, you can find the sum. So in this case, A1 is 4. And what is R in this problem? R is 1/2. We are multiplying by 1/2 each time. Everybody get that? And the way to find R, you take any number and divide it by the guy in front of him, which is 1/2. Since R is bottom heavy, it's going to be 1 minus 1/2, which is 4 over 1/2, which is 8 feet. He will never, in a billion years, get past the 8-foot mark. So the reason that this happens is you have 4, 2, 1, 1/2, 1/4, 1/8, 1/16, 1/32, 1/64. What is 1/64 in a decimal? Okay, so what's going to happen as these decimals are going to get, what is 1/128 on as a decimal?
0.078.125.
What's going to happen is we're going to add to the decimal point out this way, but we're never going to tick up. So this is only going to get to 7 because of this. That's 7, right? And then this is just going to keep going. As we get more and more, we're just adding 9s to the end, but we're never going to get, it's really never going to get to 8, but we say it gets to 8 because it's so close to 8. It's ridiculous. First thing you do on these problems is find R. And if bottom heavy, proceed. Got it?
Good.
If top heavy, your answer is no sum. So we need A1 and we need R. Does anybody know what either one of those is just by looking at it? A1 is 64 because you plug this 1 in here, and negative 1/2 to the 0 is 1 times 64 is 64. Does anybody know what R is by looking at it? Whatever's in the parentheses. So it's bottom heavy. Can we proceed? Yes. If it was top heavy, it's no sum. So it's going to be 64 over 1 minus negative 1/2, which is 64 over 3/2, which is 64 times 2/3. When you divide by a fraction, it's the same as multiplying by the reciprocal. And that's 128 over 3, and that's not divisible.